Grenade fruits, guys. So, just finish do this. And also, pumili. Tapos ko lang gumawa. It takes time. Wow, ang tagal. Ang tagal matapos. So, tikman natin ito, guys. So, yan. Ang sarap nito, guys. Very sweet. Favorite gid ito ni Busing, guys. Tapos ito, guys. Ang ginawa ko, 2 piraso na pomegranate at saka isang piraso na pumili. Patapos ko lang. So, we put in the fridge. OFW life busy, guys. So, yummy. Have a nice day, everyone. Busy ang life dito sa kusina, guys. Keep smiling. Yummy fruits.